guys, it's me Joe for Eats with Joe Food Snacks and More, coming to you live from over here at McPherson. There's just one of these many taco trucks here we have in town. Authentic Mexican cuisine. Look over here. There's a little taco place, like a taco truck that has some good Mexican little food here. I ordered the hot dogs and bistequito. Okay. There's lots of these little food trucks passing around here in town, and they're pretty good. So they have tacos de discada, burritos, cokes, Siberia. You know, one of your little classic little food trucks. So it's pretty good here. I recommend this. I already ate a couple of tacos already, and I just wanted to add some more. So once again, over here close to the O'Reilly, the little food truck outside O'Reilly, McPherson, close to Speedy Stop. I believe it's Shiloh and McPherson. So eat with Joe, Food Snacks and More. Enjoy.